Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. So today's tutorial is going to be on how to sew the 6 pieces skirt panels. So please, if you haven't watched the video on how to draft this 6 pieces skirt, I'll be dropping the link down so that you can go and watch it. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel to be part of this amazing family. And also, don't forget to turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, I say a very big thank you for always giving me the zeal to be going forward. Thank you so much. God bless you all. So let's get right into the video. So I've cut out the pieces. As you can see, this is the center front. This is the front piece. That's the center front of the 6 pieces skirt. And I'm using this black fabric. As you can see on the screen, the 3-part corset bustier top. This is the skirt for it. On the screen, you can see I combined the top with this red lace. And this is the down part for it. So keep on watching. So I cut out one piece of this fabric. I also cut out a lining for it. This is the center front. I cut it on fold, as you can see. And the lining is not long up to the end of the skirt. I stopped the lining below the knee line. So this is the lining, and I cut the lining exactly the same way I cut the skirt. And also, you can see a red lace here, which I used to design the corset top you see on the screen. So I'm going to use this lace to design the skirt, and I'm going to cover the front piece only, and I'm going to hold it together with a pin and then attach it to the black lining. So this is the front with the front lining. So I put the lining aside. I'll be attaching the lining separately from the main fabric. So this is the front piece. I put it aside. So this is the center back. The center back is cut in 2 pieces, and also the lining 2 pieces. You see, I cut every piece with the lining. So this is the center back. I cut it with 2 pieces for the main fabric, and you can see that I pinned the zipper line so that I will find it easy to sew. I pin up the zipper line. This is the 2 back pieces pinned together. That's for the center back. And also I cut out the lining and also pin the lining the same way I pin the main fabric. So this is the center back. I'm going to put it aside. Now these are the side pieces. I cut 4 pieces for the side because I'm going to use 2 pieces for the front panels, and I'm going to use 2 pieces for the back panels. So there are 4 pieces. So this is the side pieces. The back is going to have zipper. I cut 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 pieces. 2 for the front and then 2 for the back. And also the side lining, I cut out 4 pieces. And I'm going to join it together with the front piece. That's the center front piece lining. And I'm going to join 2 also to the center back piece lining. So this is the linings. So first of all, I'm going to pin the front pieces for you to see how it looks. So I'm taking 2 pieces. I join the center parts like so, and also join to the other side too. So let me pin it and then show you how it looks. So guys, this is it. I went ahead and pinned the panels together. You can see this is the front, and I went ahead and then stitched the lace on top of the center piece of the front. You see how beautiful it looks with the red. So I pinned this, and then I pinned the other side. And I also went ahead and pinned down the back piece. When you pin it, it's easy to work with. This is the back piece. This is the zipper line in the middle. So I'll be taking it to my machine. And then this is where the zipper ends, 8 inches. Then I'll stitch it all the way down. And then I'll stitch the panels. I'll stitch this side, and then I'll do the same thing to the front, and also I'll do the same thing to the lining. I also join the lining pieces together, as you can see, because the lining is shorter than the men's skirt. This is it. See how the lining is. This is the back piece, and then this is the front. So guys, I'm taking everything to my machine, stitch it, iron it neatly, then I'll come back and show you how to shape it. So this is my skirt pieces joined together. You see, this is the front, this is the design in front, the red lace in front, and then this is the back piece. I went ahead and also joined the back. The back pieces 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces because of the zipper line. Made it 4 pieces for the back, but the front is 3 pieces exactly. So this is the zipper line. You see how the flare came out. So the next thing to do is to shape the 2 pieces together according to my measurement. I'll place the front on top of the back and then shape the 2 together, the waist, the hip, the knee, and then shape it together to my measurements. Then after shaping it, I'll fix the zipper. Let's put the front piece aside. So you see, I've sewn the zipper line up to the 8 inches for the zipper line. So what I'll do is, let me put the mark here. I want to show you guys how I'm going to fix the zip to the skirt. So after joining the 2 pieces together, after shaping the 2 pieces together with my measurement, then I'll go ahead and fix the zip, and then I'll go ahead and shape also the lining, and then come back and show you how I'm going to fix the lining inside the men's skirt. So for the zipper, this is where the zip ends. You see where I mark with the white chalk? So this is the zipper. I'll just want to show you how I'm going to fix the zip. You see where it ends? This is where my zipper ends. I'm going to place the good side of the zipper facing down like this on the wrong side of the skirt, like so. Make sure that where the marking is where this end is. To get a neat zip, you see, you make sure that the tip of the zip face on this line, because I went ahead and make running stitch here. After I fix the zip, I will lose it out. So you make sure that the tip of the zip is on line of the center piece like this. So I'll pin it down. After pinning it down to the wrong side of the skirt, then you turn it over to the good side like this, and then you stitch on it like so. You come this way, continue stitching like so. After, then you lose the piece. So I will do that, shape it, join the lining together, join the men's skirt together, fix the zip, and then I'll come back to show you how you place the lining inside before putting the band. So guys, this is how beautiful my 6 pieces skirt looks like. This is the front, and then this is the back. See how the down is full. If you want your down to be fuller than this, it depends on you if you have enough fabric. So I went ahead and finished sewing the zip. So I will now use my seam ripper to cut the loose stitches out and show you how the zip look like. So you see how the zipper look. This is it. Very neat. So what I'll be doing next is to attach my lining to the men's skirt. So this is the lining. I went ahead and shaped, and then gave it good ironing. So I'll be attaching the lining to the men's skirt. So you place the lining inside the skirt, wrong side facing the wrong side of the skirt. You see, this is the wrong side of the lining, so I'll be placing it inside. You see the zipper line here. I will attach it to the zipper line on the men's skirt like so, and I'll stitch it. When I finish stitching it, you see that it will look neater inside like so. So I'll take it to my machine attach the lining, then I've prepared the band. So you can see that the band is a different fabric. This fabric, as you can see on the screen, is this fabric I use for the top for this skirt. So I combine the two fabric for the top and also for the skirt. So I'm using this for the band. So I needed 1.5 inch height for the band. So this band, I cut it 4 inches. When folded in half is 2 inches. So I folded 1/2 inch inside. After ironing interface, you cannot see it because it's black interfacing and it's for band or those strap. It's already made interfacing like so, as you can see. So I folded 1/2 inch on both sides, inside, inward, and iron it. So I'm left with 1.5 inch for the height of the band. I will attach the lining, then fix the band, hem the down part of the skirt, and then the lining, and then come and show you the finishing look. So I've gone ahead and finished with the band. This is how inside look, very neat. And I went ahead and added a hook to the back side. Hope you can see the back side of the skirt. And this is our zipper. So our 6-piece skirt is ready. This is how the inside look. You can see the lining is short inside. The lining is also separate. It's not attached to the skirt. So this is it. Our 6-piece design skirt is ready for rocking to the party. So guys, how do you see it? This is the blouse for the 6-piece skirt. This is our corset with asymmetric peplum with a crisscross neckline. You see how beautiful it looks? I'll be linking the video of this corset in the description box below, both the drafting and also the sewing. So if you find this tutorial helpful and useful, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to share my video and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.